Welcome to this attractive villa on the outskirts of Carvoeiro centre. This 5-bedroom villa with beautiful sea views is only a 10-minute walk to the centre and beach of Carvoeiro, yet in a very quiet area. In addition to the 5 bedrooms, the house has a multi-use room that could be used as a 6-bedroom, office or dressing room. There is a private heated pool, garage, low-maintenance garden and driveway. Extended in 2016, the upstairs offers the most stunning open views of the surrounding area and sea. This is a must-see property, whether you are considering a holiday home, rental investment or relocation property. Let me show you round.